What kind of sorcery is this? I don't know what's going on. Well, I guess only the other one. No, this one's not coming on. That one came on after twisting the lamps. This one is not. No. No, pero te marcaría algo aquí, el voltaje.
Ya veo por qué ni él perdió la cuenta.
Sí.
Pinches contratistas.
Still got the, yeah, they still got the ballast in line with the bypass lamps. No bueno. So, we'll turn off the circuit, rewire this one. I don't know if the lamps are still any good, so we'll order new lamps. This is how bypass is supposed to work. Hot neutral to the sockets. No ballast. See how that came on? Those are still off. Put these back in, they'll work. So the lamps are gonna be good. Seems like it's a bad case of they left the ballast and just put in the retrofit LED lamps.